So we have heard from Keith, who is in Cairns, apparently doing well. Deb has returned to Cairns, so we'll make the possibility there for them to make contact. Basically, we've all gone insane since July this year. Insane and back, and on the way to insanity again. And Deb's been redhead since. Yes, lots of things have happened, but nothing at all really. John's still got balls bigger than ever. Basically, I've got nothing to report. Have you got anything to say, Deb?
No, it looks as though you're getting some good screwing there, though.
Talking about the only bit of screwing you can get around here these days, mind you. Not that there's a shortage of men or anything, but there's definitely a shortage of good screws.
Why Australian-made cars are the hardest to steal, and a supermom with a family of 140. And at 6:30 on The Current Affair with Mike Willesee, moves to ban smokers from attending football and cricket matches, and coffee addiction. We challenge some famous Australians to give up their habit. Sydney's leading hour of news and current affairs tonight.
Howdy! Here we are out on the patio doing the gardening. We've got newly acquired beautiful yellow banksia and a, don't know what that is? Bit of a orchid here. A little bit of a strange story behind this one. A friend of mine, Christian, across the road was living across the road from Waratah Hotel, and they were walking by one day and a TV crashed before them at the front of their feet, and they thought, holy hell, the heavens have opened up, and then alas, down comes this little old plant. We don't know who was up there, but somebody was obviously throwing the contents of their hotel room over the balcony.
The contents?
Yes, contents.
Contents.
Well, you know me, I can't speak English. And anyway, they got this plant and they put it in a pot, but unfortunately it didn't get sunlight for weeks, so by the time I got it, it's well and truly on its way to the cemetery. And here we have, this has a big red flower, I don't know what they're called. Here's another little one here, and then there's another one, and then there's some new other side got some toilet, and then they all need a bit of water. We're approaching summer, here we are. We've got our bath set up, beautiful place to have a bath, so if you ever want to come and have a Sunset Boulevard bath, you just fill it up from the bathroom, voila. Happy-go-lucky, these plants, having a beautiful time here, very content, a little bit unhappy, I guess. Yes, we could do a little bit of what do you call it?
Affirmation.
Spray. Aphid mite spray, that's what it needs. Hey, did you know that in the news they said last night that found a lot of women's breast milk has got a certain pesticide in it. It's been banned in the States, but of course Australians are still using it. And it's a termite pesticide that apparently it's been showing up in breast milk. So there you go. And then they bloody, say, oh, it's safe, but if you watch down the track, all those children dying of cancer. So one does recommend all this shit finds its way down the food chain. Organic groceries is the answer, isn't it? Yes. The eastern sky